Welcome to the AMP Motorization video series. This installment will demonstrate the functions of the motor programming or P1 button on the motor. Locate the motor programming or P1 button on the motor head. This will be to the far left or far right of the shade. To operate the shade, press and release the P1 button. Press and release the P1 button again to make the shade go in the opposite direction. To put the motor into pairing mode, press and hold the P1 button until the shade jogs once and beeps once. The shade can now be paired with a remote. To put the motor to sleep, press and hold the P1 button until the shade jogs twice and beeps twice. The shade will not operate in sleep mode. To wake the motor up, press and release the P1 button quickly. To change the direction of the shade, press and hold the P1 button until the shade jogs 3 times and beeps 3 times. Verify the direction has been changed. To reset the shade to factory settings, press and hold the P1 button until the shade jogs 4 times and beeps 4 times.